7, 3, 2, 9, 1. Excellent. Awesome. Can you add these numbers together? 5. Good job. 9. Great. 1. Try again. Good job. Congratulations. Touch your surprise egg. Sort these numbers. 8. Good job. Awesome. 8. Excellent. Excellent. Great. One more time. Excellent. Fantastic. Arrange these odd numbers from least to greatest. 3. Great. 5. Good job. 7. Great. 3. 5. 7. Yay! Congratulations! Touch your surprise egg. Knock on door number 2. Peekaboo! Great! Do you know which number is lower? 1. Awesome! Yeah! Congratulations! Touch your surprise egg. Can you subtract these numbers? 1. Good job! Find the groups of even numbers. Try again. Awesome. Great! Yippee! Congratulations! Touch your surprise egg. Can you subtract these numbers? Can you trace this number? 5. Fantastic! Congratulations! Touch your surprise egg. Can you connect the dots in the correct order? Good job! 22, 30. Awesome! Can you help this robot go to level 6? Congratulations! Touch your surprise egg. Arrange these odd numbers from least to greatest. 13. Great. 15. Good job. 17. Great. 13. 15. 17. Yahoo! Find the matching numbers. 6. 7. 2. Great. 5. Good job. Good job. Good job. Great. Good job. Congratulations! Touch your surprise egg. Can you subtract these numbers? 5. One more time. Again. Fantastic! Can you trace this number? 1. Good job! Congratulations! Touch your surprise egg. Catch all the flying. Into kids' room. Whee! Oh, no. Can you make this xylophone? Good job! Excellent! Fantastic! Good job! Can you solve this puzzle? Fantastic! Fantastic! Great! Try again! Excellent! Excellent! Great! Good job! Congratulations! Touch your surprise egg. Hang each shirt on the matching color hanger. Orange. Good job. Yellow. Great. Purple. Fantastic. Do you know what time it is? 6 o'clock. Great. Congratulations. Touch your surprise egg. Can you solve this puzzle? Fantastic. Good job. Great. Good job. Good job. Great. Excellent. Can you build this robot? Fantastic. Good job. Awesome. Yay! Congratulations. Touch your surprise egg. Drag each object in the matching color basket. Awesome. Great. 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 Awesome. Can you match the numbers? 2. Excellent. 1. Fantastic. 3. Great. One more time. 4. Fantastic. Congratulations. Touch your surprise egg. Can you find matching letters? Q. Try again. V. Q. One more time. Q. Q. Fantastic. E. One more time. V. Fantastic. Good job. E. Great. Hang each shirt on the matching color hanger. Yellow. Great. Green. Excellent. Purple. Awesome. Great. Congratulations. Touch your surprise egg. Can you match the numbers? 4. Awesome. 1. Awesome. 3. Excellent. 2. Great. Yay! Can you make this xylophone? Good job. Fantastic. Excellent. Awesome. Yay! Congratulations. Touch your surprise egg. Can you match the numbers? The left one. Fantastic! Can you paint the biggest one? Great! Yay! Congratulations! Give yourself a magic stamp. Can you paint the tallest robot? Excellent! How many strawberries do you see? 1, 2, 3. Congratulations! Give yourself a magic stamp. Draw a line to connect the big letters with the small ones. H. Fantastic! One more time. J. Excellent. I. Yeah! Can you paint the shortest robot? Try again. Good job! Great! Congratulations! Give yourself a magic stamp. How many socks do you see? 2. 1, 2. Yeah! Paint the top one. Great! Yeah! Congratulations! Give yourself a magic stamp. Can you paint the shortest robot? Awesome! Yay! Paint the right one. Good job! Congratulations! Give yourself a magic stamp. Use the patterns to paint the shapes. Fantastic! Excellent! Fantastic! Fantastic! Yay! Paint the top one. Congratulations! Give yourself a magic stamp. Can you paint the shortest robot? Great! Good job! Good job! Good job! Yeah! Set the timer on this number. 8. Fantastic! Great! Congratulations! Catch your flying sticker. Which items go in the refrigerator? One more time. Put them in. Great! Awesome! Great! Awesome! Yippee! Use these fruits to make a fruit face. Good job! One more time. One more time. Awesome! Good job! Awesome! Yippee! Congratulations! Catch your flying sticker. We are making vegetable soup. Can you drop all the vegetables in the pot? Good job! Good job! Add all the blueberries to the cereal. Excellent! Good job! Awesome! Congratulations! Catch your flying sticker. Do you know which items go in the recycle bin? Excellent! Good job! Excellent! Great! Good job! Draw a line to connect each fruit to its juice. Good job! Good job! Yeah! Congratulations! Catch your flying sticker. Touch all the healthy fruits and vegetables. Awesome! Good job! Yeah! Can you set the table? Good job! Fantastic! 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 Congratulations! Catch your flying sticker. Find matching fruits. Square. Can you make this caterpillar? Excellent. Awesome. Fantastic. Good job. Great. Good job. Excellent. Yay! Congratulations. Give yourself a magic stamp. Which group has more? Great! Yay! Touch all that. Triangle. Great! Congratulations! Give yourself a magic stamp. Match each shape and its silhouette. Panda. Awesome. Monkey. Awesome. Car. Bird. Alarm clock. Hat. Pear. Good job. Great. Touch all the ovals. Great. Awesome. Yay! Congratulations. Give yourself a magic stamp. Which group has Great! Do you know what comes next? Small. Awesome! Congratulations! Give yourself a magic stamp. Can you make this pattern? Heart. Excellent. Pentagon. Great. Diamond. Awesome. Pentagon. Heart. Awesome. Diamond. Good job. Excellent. Star. Star. Awesome. Diamond. Excellent. Triangle. Awesome. Star. Good job. Star. Great. Heart. Great. Diamond. Awesome. Pentagon. Awesome. Yay! Can you set the alarm clock for 6 o'clock? 6 o'clock. Good job. Congratulations! Give yourself a magic stamp. Can you make this pattern? the biggest gift.
Fantastic!
Touch all the
Green.
balloons to blow them up.
Green.
Good job! Congratulations! Catch your flying gift! This robot is 8 years old.
Good job!
On the Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Can you spell happy birthday?
H.
Awesome!
A.
Fantastic!
E.
Excellent!
P.
Excellent!
Y.
Awesome!
B.
Awesome!
I.
Fantastic!
R.
Good
T.
job! Good
H.
job! Good job!
D.
Fantastic!
A.
Good job!
Y. H. A. P. E. Y. B. I. R. T. H. D. A. Y.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Congratulations. Catch your flying gift. Can you find the matching
Green.
card?
Orange.
One more time. Brown.
Red.
Try again.
Orange.
Try
Green.
again.
Orange. Blue. Green. Yellow.
One more time.
Green. Green. Gray. Gray.
Brown.
Yellow.
Can you match the candies to the goodie bags?
Purple.
Great.
Purple.
Fantastic.
Purple.
Fantastic.
Orange.
Fantastic.
Orange.
Awesome.
Green.
Great.
Green.
Excellent.
Green.
Excellent. Congratulations. Catch your flying gift. Tap the notes when they light up. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Give each kid a hat that matches their clothes.
Yellow.
Excellent.
Blue.
Great.
Green.
Good job.
Orange.
Great. Congratulations. Catch your flying gift. Can you slice all the strawberries?
Fantastic.
Awesome.
Great.
Try again. Great. Give each kid a goodie bag that matches their clothes.
Blue.
Excellent.
Orange.
Fantastic.
Red.
Awesome.
Pink.
Excellent. Congratulations. Catch your flying gift. Can you match the
Yellow.
candies?
Yellow.
Fantastic.
Yellow.
Awesome.
Purple.
Good
Purple.
job.
Purple.
Good job.
Orange.
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 Great. This robot is 2 years
Great.
old. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Congratulations. Catch your flying gift. Can you give this panda a purple balloon?
It's time to get out. Thanks for watching this video, everyone. Hope you see us for the next video. Like, subscribe, and comment for our new videos. Thank you, everyone, so much.